Alright, let's look at this here. This is the shredder. It's a Fellows Power Shred 220. It's been here since at least the early 2000s. I'm going to say probably in the 80s. Probably an 80s model. But, well, she hasn't aged very well over the years. This lid's not supposed to pop off like that. You know, it's not very safe. Of course, she does shred, she does work, but she's old, she's grungy, she does not shred more than like 4 pages at a time. Very old model, and I'm tired of it. So I decided to go pick up the Fellows Power Shredder. Could do up to 12 sheets at a time. Does the micro cut instead of the long strips that the old one does, or did. This thing will shred paper clips, staples, credit cards, IDs, and CDs. This is what the thing said. So I didn't realize it was the same brand as the one that we had. But well, let's get it out of the box. See just how pretty she is, if she's pretty at all. Alright, so we got some wheels here, little casters, 4 of those. That's cool. And of course, trash. And of course, you know, the meat and potato of the shredder, the actual shredder part. And some paperwork. More trash, and your bucket or discharge sheet or whatever it's called. I'm not overly concerned with what it's called. Okay, so design wise, the concept's going to be the same as the old one. You pull that out, pull that forward, pull it out, and then of course whenever you get down you put it right back in. So same concept as the other one. This one does have a nice glass front here so you can see how full it is, but I think most people put trash bags in their shredders, so I'm not real sure what that window's going to do for you. And then the whole meat and potato of it is going to be the shredder itself, which is going to sit right on top of this. Well, it's supposed to. A little difficult to get on there. Efficiently. There we go. Alright, she's on there. Nice and pretty. Let's go ahead and swap her out here. Well, no, we should probably put the wheels on, huh? Let's do that. Let's see. I don't know if that's safe to do this way or not. Let's see here. So to put the casters on, pretty simple. Little concept. You just take it, slide her down in there, and repeat that process with the other 3 casters. Should I turn this so you can see the other 2? Yeah, let's do that. I don't know if you noticed or not that the shredder head did snap on to the base. So, I mean, you can pick up on it and she will not come out, which is a good thing. And then, of course, on the wheels, she moves around. So, we'll go ahead and get her set in place there. See how she looks. As opposed to that old model. Okay, and on the back of the unit here, there's a power switch that has to be turned on. And now with her turned on, you'll see the light up here in the front, which means power ready to use. Oh, look at that. You put your finger by the thing, and this little button lights up that says, whoa. So it's going to automatically shut off when your finger is over there to prevent you from sticking your finger in there and getting your finger shredded. If you're going to go in or out, oops. So if you get a misfeed, just hit the button to back it out. And of course, there's a couple other buttons here. One of these is if the tray is open, that turns off. And put the tray back in, she comes right back on. I think this one here would be the waste bin is full, which we're going to need that because we're going to have a bag in this. I did look at the assembly instructions, and the assembly instructions did not say anything about the casters. It didn't even remark about the casters until you got into the user manual, where it says, oh, the casters are on the bottom, but it didn't say anything about putting them on. So it is what it is, right? That's cool. So let's see how she looks. So as you can see, she looks a lot better than the old model does, or did. And well, that's how you get it out and ready to go and get her set up. So that simple. And of course, we'll do my favorite thing. We'll just take the old bag out of the old shredder. Make sure she's nice and open here. And into the new one. Of course, that covers up the bin here, but the light lights up when she's full, so it shouldn't matter a whole lot. And she's ready to go, guys. Bye. Okay, old shredded paper, nice long strips from the old shredder, and from the new one. It's going to be hard to get some of these into my hand. Right there. That's how tiny she shreds them. So, kind of hard to reach down through there and grab a whole bunch of those out. Oh, there's a whole bunch right there. Okay. So there we go. Nice little jigsaw puzzle for someone to try to put together if they really felt the need. This stuff could be easy to put back together. That's okay. We don't have that problem anymore because we got the nice new shredder. I figured I'd show you guys just what it looks like when they're chopped up. That way you can see just how well she does.